Now I take the pleasure of inviting on stage Mr. Ruchir, CEO and co-founder, WebOccult Technologies Private Limited.
Good afternoon. Thank you for having patience. I know it's getting too late. So starting my today's topic is on AI vision, specifically in supply chain and logistics. How many of you are connected with supply chain, logistics, warehousing, distribution centers? Yeah, I see few of them. So today's concept is little bit technical side, but also more into the applications of how AI can help logistics and supply chain. So to start with, next. Firstly, myself, Ruchir Kakkad. I am CEO and co-founder of WebOccult Technologies. We are working in the space of image processing and video processing. I have done my master's specialized in AI/ML, running 4 different startup companies parallelly, and working specifically in AI space more than a decade now. Next. So what is AI vision? We are hearing every stall saying it's AI based, we are doing something behind AI. So what is specifically AI vision? So the way our eyes sees an object, it sends a signal to our brain, and brain processes it and says, okay, when it sees apple, this is apple. But how machines react to it? So when a camera sees any object, it sends a signal to machine learning algorithm, and that algorithm then says, okay, I think it's 89% apple, but 11% probability is a tomato. So more how we evaluate, how we learn, our human brain learns, that's a similar concept of machine learning. Machine learning understands that this object is this. So camera is just a starting point. Camera or AI vision is a starting point to capture data. It's not, it ends over there. Once those data is captured, the data can be sequentialized, it can be used for prediction, it can be used for making smarter decisions. And that's how we can utilize the data which can be generated from AI vision. So why today I'm taking a session on supply chain or logistics specifically? As we see the statistics in 2023, in supply chain only in India, it was 3,000 plus USD dollars, 3,000 million USD dollar market, and it is expected by 2030 it will reach beyond 6,000 million USD dollars. So it is clear that in India, as digitalization is coming in, as Make in India is progressing, in next 2 years, the force of disruptive AI will change the economy, will change the space how supply chain is working totally. Okay, so moving forward to, let's see how it can be used. So first use case is this can be used for safety compliances, whether it could be people, whether walking on any sites, whether they are following any PPE compliances or not. Also for behavioral studies. So let's say any private organization has like restriction on using mobiles inside any premises. There could be many privacy issues could be there. Then for other use cases, for restricted areas, no one should be going inside it. It can interfere the safety. So benefits of implementing is, firstly, it can have 24 hours of audit, can have a real-time evidence. Also, the efficiency of workers can be monitored, and with that, we can have a proper diagnosis on how the operations are going on the ground level, and instant alerts to group and supervisors for any incidents are happening. Second use case is on shipment movements. So in this space, containers, trailers are a critical part, and the movements are very high. In any warehousing distribution centers, there will be hundreds of trailers or containers coming every day. And we know there is a technology for license plate. Everywhere we are seeing in toll and everywhere. But extracting a container number out of it is a separate thing, because there is no standards for trailers. For containers, yeah, there are. It is in right top corner with some standardization, but trailers can be anything. So this is some format which gives you, so if this can be extracted out, every time we can save 2 minutes, ultimately saving hours in a distribution. The use case is automated get entry, security monitoring and compliances, putting the correct data with the evidence of photo. Right now only in PayPal, security guard is just writing the numbers. But with this, it can capture a photo for any future like incidents happening. They can go back and see the things. Dwell times, how long trailers are staying inside and outside. So that is also covered. Again, benefits. Supply chain is something like everyone wants their delivery today. So it's more about the speed, more about we can move goods faster, right? So it's about improving the efficiency. And any way AI can help to increase those operational efficiencies that can lead to profits and high user experience. Also, no manual entries has to be done, so we can save manpower and cost reduction ultimate the end cause. Then the concept is parking twin. A very new concept is emerging after AI, using AI, is digital twins. Any processes, any organizations using cameras connected with sensors can create a digital world of it. And from there, the data what is generated can really give faster results to take decisions. I know like, okay, my whole energy is going inside one unit. So maybe I need to scale that unit more, not my whole infrastructure. So those kind of decisions can be taken care. So this is just one of the image where just using the cameras, we are seeing like where the trailers are parked in which trailer parking lot. So when like it has to be called for loading or unloading, those decisions can be taken faster. Also routing, like how we are doing in Google Maps, like faster or the closer you park container, the one which you need faster, those kind of AI algorithms can be created with it. So features, first is parking occupancy analysis, which parking slots, where the movements. The image was very smaller, but in a real world, this space where distribution centers, warehouses are there, it's a very big area, hundreds or thousands of containers are placed, and it's really hard for identifying if any misplaced container has been placed. Then 2D, 3D visualization. Safety or speed alerts can be generated with AI vision, no need of any additional sensors, and making enhanced decisions. Next is shorter line. Again, a critical part in this whole supply chain logistics industry, where shorting items on a faster way is important. Just think like you ordered something, you get a parcel, and it's a wrong parcel. It's a chaos, right? So no one wants those kind of things to happen. So it is very important, like right thing reaches at right place. Over here, you can see there are 4 humans in the green boxes are sorting the items in a different way. So there are real-time counting of each workstation, how much efficiency each human is doing. And like we know, like skilled laborers are a shortage, which is again a new problem to India. We have labor, but skilled labor is a challenge. So when any new labor is onboarding, with help of this, they can know, okay, what is the efficiency and how to improve it, where he is doing something wrong. Benefits, again, is real-time monitoring, process optimization, reduce ideal time or reduce manpower monitoring, and safety control. Over here, one of the important thing is ergonomics. If worker is not working on in a proper posture, on a longer run, 2 years, 5 years, it hurts his efficiency, and ultimately it's causing health issues. So far, we covered like what are the benefits or what are the use cases. But as mentioned, like it doesn't end here. AI vision is just a starting point. It enables to capture data. But once we have a data, we need to use that data on a proper pattern. So gathering of data done by AI vision, then find patterns, and then we can make smarter decisions. So benefits for forecasting or other use cases in data science is like, first is the second opinion for a procurement team. Whether any type of decision is then, it's like a second opinion, how we take it for doctors. greater accuracy of anticipating customers' demand based on the previous data, how it is done, improving customer services, flexibility, optimal resource allocations, increase efficiency and productivity. This is again connected to each other piece by piece. So to understand what is the current place where we are. So are we late or are we early to implement this kind of solutions? So the facts are, in global level, there are 47% of companies have started implementing, executing, scaling their AI solutions, or maybe they are into POC phase. But if we see the statistics of India, it is just 25%. And one of the key reasons for having a shorter number is awareness on how to use this technology. So how to start or where to start with? So the first thing is find the pinpoint where the major impact can be there. So any bottleneck in any organization can be the key start point. Then stay ahead of the curve. Definitely competition is always a hurdle for any big or small organization. So staying ahead in technology, utilizing technology in a well manner can give an extra edge. Quick wins, quick adaptations. So if you're starting small implementation, then scale it to larger things can give you more confidence and better idea how it can be useful. So in short, like AI vision, you can think in very simple manner. If you want to find any use case, think whether it is solving any security problem, or whether it is solving any efficiency problem, or any safety problem. It will give you an answer to your organization. Okay, yeah, I have some bottleneck in either of these three verticals. Or like in other words, you can say like any challenges with manpower, money, material or method that leads to the solutions or where to start with. Yeah, that's it. This was a small brief on what AI vision can be playing a good role in supply chain and logistics. Happy to have any questions, or you can visit our stall, which is booth number 1, WebOccult Technologies. We are showcasing one of the use cases, which is trailer OCR over there. Anyone who is interested can do visit it. Okay. Thank you.